Grammer. Comfort, safety, durability. Durability is not for the faint of heart. Going through the daily grind of plowing, planting, cutting, and building is tough work. Your job needs the support of rugged equipment to withstand grueling weather and long hours in the machine. Grammer seats are made with high-quality materials and smart design that allows wear items to be replaced easily. Durability is about being up and running every day of the year. You should expect the same performance, hour after hour, day after day, month after month, and season after season. Working in fields, mines, construction sites, lawns, and warehouses is for tough people and tough products. Rugged conditions don't slow you down, and neither should your equipment. Grammer provides seats that last. Count on us to keep you working hard.